Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak English Flow podcast, where your English flows naturally. I'm Flowy, your friendly English coach made of pure flow and good vibes.
And I'm Zoe. I'm so happy to be here with you again. Flowy, today's topic is super useful for English learners, right?
Absolutely, Zoe. Today we're helping everyone answer one of the most common questions in English.
Tell me about yourself in Fewum. Yes, you'll hear that everywhere. In job interviews, English classes, first meetings, and even on dates.
Exactly. It sounds simple, but when someone asks, your brain sometimes just stops working.
Oh, totally. I've been there. But don't worry. Today we'll make it easy, fun, and practical.
Before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the Speak English Flow podcast. Every week we help you speak English confidently, what's more, with flow.
Let's start simple. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," what's the first thing you can say?
Start with your name, it's the easiest part. For example, my name is Flowy.
Or, "My name is Zoe." See? Easy.
Then you can say where you're from. For example, I'm from Canada, or I'm from Japan.
Let's practice together. Say out loud, "My name is your name. I'm from your country."
Nice job. Even that short sentence helps you sound more confident and natural.
Next, talk about where you live now. For example, "I live in a big city." Or, "I live in a small town."
You can also add details. I live in a small town near the sea. I live in an apartment in the city center.
Flowy, where do you live? If an AI wave can live somewhere.
Well, I like to think I live in the Flow studio, a calm place full of creativity and good English energy.
That sounds like a dream. I'd love to visit the Flow studio someday.
Anytime, Zoe. Just bring coffee and conversation.
Deal.
After you introduce yourself, people often want to know what you do.
Yes, you can say things like, I'm a student. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse."
If you're looking for work, you can say, I'm looking for a job. I'm studying to become a teacher.
Good one. And there's a common mistake English learners make, saying, "I am a work."
Right, don't say that. Instead, say, I work as a teacher. Or I work in a hospital.
Let's practice together. I work in great.
That structure will make your sentences sound natural every time.
Now, let's move on to something personal. Your family.
You don't need to give too much information. Keep it short and friendly.
You can say, "I have one brother and one sister." Or, "I'm an only child."
Exactly. And if you want to add more, you can say, my brother is a student. My sister works in a bank.
Those simple sentences are great for grammar practice too, using is, and are, and works.
And it also makes your conversation more real. People love learning about family.
Now, let's talk about something everyone loves: pets.
Oh yes, pets always make conversations friendlier.
You can say, "I have a dog." "I have 2 cats," or "I don't have any pets."
Zoe, do you have any pets?
I do. I have a cat named Coco. She sleeps all day while I record.
That sounds like a professional studio cat.
Exactly. What about you, Flowy?
Well, I have a virtual goldfish. Its name is Bubbles.
That's perfect for you. Easy to feed too.
Yes, zero maintenance and 100% flow. Next, let's talk about your likes and dislikes. A great way to show your personality.
Yes, this part makes your English more natural. You can say, "I like pizza." "I love reading." "I don't like spicy food." "I hate waiting in long lines."
I don't like buffering. That's my version of waiting.
That's a good one.
When you talk about what you like or dislike, people feel more connected to you. It turns small talk into real conversation.
Now, let's move to hobbies. It's one of the easiest ways to keep a conversation going.
Yes, use this simple pattern. In my free time, I like to.
For example, in my free time, I like to draw. I like to listen to music. I like to play soccer.
That formula always works. It's short, clear, and natural.
And it's also perfect for interviews or meeting new friends.
Right. When people know your hobbies, they learn about who you are, not just what you do.
Okay, time to practice. Flowy, why don't you go first?
Sure, here's my example. Hi, my name is Flowy. I'm from the Flow Studio. I work as an English podcast host. I love teaching and helping people learn new words. In my free time, I like to listen to ocean sounds.
That's a great one. Simple, calm, and very flowy.
Thanks. Now your turn, Zoe.
Okay. Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm from California. I'm a content creator and voice coach. I love cats, coffee, and painting. In my free time, I enjoy hiking and watching movies.
That's perfect. See how short and clear that is? Just a few sentences tell your story.
Yes, and you don't need complicated grammar. Just confidence and good flow.
Exactly. Speak slowly, smile, and sound natural.
Let's give our listeners a few extra phrases they can use to make their introductions sound smoother.
Good idea. Here are some I grew up in, I'm currently living in, I'm interested in, I'm passionate about.
Yes, for example, I'm passionate about helping people learn new things, or I'm interested in technology and design.
These small phrases help your English sound more natural and advanced, but still easy to learn.
Before we wrap up, let's share a few tips.
Tip 1. Don't memorize. Personalize. Make the words about you.
Tip 2, practice aloud. Hearing your own voice helps you gain confidence.
Tip 3. Smile when you speak. English really sounds better with a smile.
I love that. When you smile, your voice sounds more open and friendly, even if you're nervous.
And remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood and feeling comfortable.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Write a short introduction in the comments.
Yes, use 3 to 5 sentences.
Say your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you like. Here's an example. My name is Anna. I'm from Mexico. I work as a nurse. I love watching movies in English and learning new words.
That's a great example. Short, personal, and natural.
We'll read your comments and maybe feature a few in the next episode.
So make sure to participate. It's a great way to practice and connect.
That's all for today's episode of Speak English Flow podcast.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share. Every week we help you learn English in a natural, relaxing way.
Remember, practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes of speaking can make a big difference.
That's true. English fluency is built through small steps, one conversation at a time.
Thank you all for listening and practicing with us.
And remember, let your English flow.